Alright, so to add your blur effect, you go to where you have your project window here, and then you click this arrow and go to effects panel. Okay, now under your effects panel you search Gaussian blur, Gaussian blur. Alright, now we are going to add the Gaussian blur effect to the first video, but before we do that, we are going to create we are going to use our razor tool to cut a part of this video and cut somewhere on the first video. Let's say somewhere here. Okay, all right, now we don't want to add the blur effect on the whole clip, so we just want the a portion of the clip to have the blur effect. Okay, so that's why I had to use the razor tool to cut here. Okay, so we now go to our Gaussian blur effect, click and drag it and put it on the first clip, or on the portion of the first clip where we just cut. Okay, yeah, then we go to effect controls. Okay, then you navigate to where you have blurriness. Okay, so you increase it to, as you can see, the blurriness here shows 0.0. okay, so you can increase it to the desired number to create the desired effects you want. Okay, the desired blur effects you want. All right, I think this is okay. Okay, now we go back, and then we also repeat the same effect. Okay, so we repeat the same effect towards the end of the clip, or towards the end of the timeline. So we go back, we go forward, and this is the last clip on the timeline. And by the way, I got these videos from 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧.com. okay, so you can check them out. It's an amazing website for tons of stock images. Okay, copyright free content. Feel free to check them out. Okay, so we once again take our razor tool and cut here. Okay, let's take the playhead, okay, somewhere here, then drop our razor tool and yet again pick the Gaussian blur effect. Okay, you click and drag it here. All right, you also retain the same number. Okay, let me confirm that number for the blur effect here. Okay, we said, okay, the blur effect here we use 78, so let's repeat the same amount or number here. Okay, 78 as well. All right, okay, so we are good to go. So let's preview our project. Okay, so you take your playhead all the way to the beginning and press play and see how it goes. All right, okay, blur. Okay, it's sharp now. Okay, from blurriness to sharpness. Oh, okay, so let's preview our file and see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, the first part of this video is blur, and then it goes to the normal view, and then all the way again down towards the end. Let's see how that pans out. And you see it's blur again. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add some transition to our videos. Okay, so under your effects panel, you go to video transitions, and I think there are a couple of transition effects you can add, but I think I'll go with the dissolve option because I think there are some really cool transitions down there. And then I click cross dissolve and I drop it in between, okay, where I cut, okay, in the first clip. Okay, then I repeat the same process for the last clip, cross dissolve, and I drop it here. So let's preview how it looks like now. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this is the blur part, and you see it fades into the normal part or normal part of the clip. Okay, so let's repeat another, put another transition here. Okay, so let's see that, and then it fits into this, and let's repeat and put another transition here. Okay, just click OK, and let's see how that goes. All right, another lovely fade effect, and let's see how it goes towards the end. And then, wow, that's a beautiful fade effect. All right, so as you can see, the video starts with a blurriness. Okay, let's just reduce the time. Okay, let me reduce this a bit. Okay, reduce this a bit, and also for the, let me cut the time a bit for the blurriness. Okay, this is amazing, it's cool. And then it fades into this. Okay, let's reduce the time, okay, for this one. Okay, then you delete that, repeat the transition effect here. Okay, so let's start again from here. Okay, it's blur and then it fades into normal. All right, okay, this is another clip, it fades into it, and then yet another clip, and then let's see how it goes out. Wow, this is cool. So let's cut this, just reduce it, the last clip here, and then okay, let's preview. All right, so as you can see, it's blur, and then it goes into a normal view, and then it fades into another clip, and then fades into another clip, and then let's see how it all goes out, and then it fades into a blur effect, and then the clip finally comes to an end. Alright, so this is how you add a blur effect to your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so I'm sure you had value from this video. If you did, please give the video a like, share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing graphic design and video editing tips and tricks and tutorials. So till I see you in my next video, take care and stay safe.